didn't. They did. Ready to speak cameras. Okay, it's been a very, I want to say unproductive, it's been a very unproductive week video wise. Like I've actually not even posted a video this week. It's Friday now. The last video I made was on Sunday. Anyways, that's beside the point. So, oh damn, if you guys can remember a while back, I said that there was this sound in the car that's really irritated me. I can't seem to hear it now actually. Oh shit, that's too much. That's too much throttle. That's too much throttle. I'll just try to go a bit. You're not hearing it now, which is really annoying, but I did make a video where you could hear it, because I'm heading over to NVM now, and hopefully they can have a look and see what it is. My personal thought is like the engine isn't, it sounds bad to say the engine isn't in properly, but at the same time the engine is in properly, but I just think it's like slightly loose or something, like there's some kind of screw loose, and I think I probably need a bone mount, because when I accelerate there's like so much wheel hop, and I think that's what caused the engine to be like slightly rattled loose in a sense. I don't know, that's just my like terminology of what's happening. I can't seem to hear the sound now when I'm driving. You can hear it slightly, but I can't really hear it as bad as I want to hear it, so that they can hear it and make a diagnostic. Yeah. So yeah, let's head over there now and see what the outcome is. Slightly. I've got a video as I said, but we'll see. Okay, I can hear it now. It only happens at very low speed. So now I'm in traffic, I'm going to accelerate slightly, and then hopefully I can put the sound up and you can hear it as well. Okay, listen. You see, let's turn this aircon off so there's no noise whatsoever. I'll stop. And I'll go. See, you shouldn't be hearing that. You can hear, I'm sure you can, that comes across, because that's fairly loud. I think after the car warms up a bit, then you can hear it better. Yeah, I don't like the sound. It's really worrying. But let's see what they say. Now I can hear it, then I feel much better, because I don't want to go there and then I can't hear it and I'm like, okay, well, what's the sound? Where's the sound at? So now I can hear it, then that's a good sign. So fingers crossed there's nothing too bad, and I could just get it sorted soon. Oh. Okay, so just like slightly accelerate, you see what I mean?
What the hell is that?
Like, oh, don't even say it like that. Don't say it like that. Go on.
What the hell is that?
Exactly, it's worrying. Go a bit more.
What you done to it?
I haven't done anything to it.
You ain't been drifting in the snow.
Don't say it like that, man. I actually haven't been drifting in the snow. Nah, I don't like that reaction at all.
Never heard that from a cougar before.
Damn.
These cars ain't even old enough.
I'm selling it.
Noises.
I'm selling it. I'm selling it.
You must have changed something.
I haven't. I swear I haven't done anything.
No. To me, in all honesty, without kind of looking at it properly, I think it's your electronic diff. Have you been launching it? That's the
No, I haven't been launching it.
You launched the full counter on the ECU, so we can tell you if you've been launching it.
I don't know. Like, launching. It just spins anyways if you launch it.
Yeah, but you have been launching it.
Not excessively.
You've been racing S3s, isn't it? That's really bad.
Oh damn! Don't say it like that, man.
No engine management light, no traction light.
Exactly, there's nothing. I just thought, because like I thought the engine was probably a bit loose or some crap, because you know the wheel hop when the wheel hop, yeah. I think that kind of like probably unbalanced something. That was my diagnosis of it. But
you've not fitted a lower engine mount or anything? Nah,
that's what I was gonna like. If I get that fitted, then it'll probably tighten everything up, and that will.
It seems rotational. It doesn't seem vibrations or jerking. You still got warranty on this?
I don't think so. Shit. Why did you have to say it like that? I should just turn the music up and not pay attention.
Yeah, pop the bonnet. Sun's out there.
I know.
You've not messed with nothing.
I haven't done anything.
Engine ain't moving excessively.
Nothing.
And nothing stuck to the drive shafts or anything like that.
It's only got 13,400 miles. That's nothing. I'm just getting onto RJ Performance quickly to see what the first available date is to get the exhaust fade I've got in the boot. So it isn't good news about the noise I'm hearing in the back, but let's hope it's good news and get this exhaust fade hopefully by next week. So let's do that. Got that lovely M4 right there, flipping sick, and there's like a E90 M3 over there, which is like amazing. But let's get this sorted. Okay, so I've got a date booked on Wednesday. So on Wednesday I should get my exhaust fade. Fingers crossed, everything goes as planned. But yeah, let's head. Wait, actually there's one more place I want to visit, then I head home. As always, I always finish these videos when it's late. We haven't managed to figure out what the problem is, but I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna head to the Seat dealership when I have time. Gonna get that checked out, and we have put like a plan in place what we're going to do after. When I go to the Seat dealership, I'm going to get a bone mount fitted that should secure the engine. I don't know what the problem, as I said, I don't know what the problem is, so we're just going to see how it goes. We're going to get it on the ramp and have a look and see all that fun stuff. But at the moment it is just slightly annoying, but yeah.